How about the easy button? I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out yesterday, I believe, is called CommissionOS, and it's from DPapa, who's Dimitrios Papadopoulos. I'm probably butchering the heck out of his name, but it's close to that. DPapa is the best way to shortcut it. So well-known internet marketer, super experienced, all about CPA and making money through that. And so it is the shortcut, the easy button. Here we go. I'll just mention that you click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. There's a product box. You click that. And here's the line on the product box. The same AI-powered system that experienced marketers are using to run multiple campaigns simultaneously, now available to complete beginners for a one-time $27. That's what it is. That's the deal. So they're using CPA, they're using AI to put together this and put together campaigns for you. And if you know how CPA works, it is just cost per action. So you're sending people to pages and they go and they click it, they put their email in, they do things like that, and you get paid. And so that's different from affiliate marketing where you actually have to have a completed sale and then you get a commission of it. This is sort of like buying leads. And so let's go back inside here. You can see this part right here. Smart CPA affiliates push one button, get 40 plus posts, a landing page, and 10,000 plus free views, and wake up to strangers sending them money. Does that sound like the easy button? It sure does. AI-powered system for CPA affiliate marketing. I'm going to skip through, but I will mention this. No followers, no website, no experience. One AI system picks your CPA offer. That's important. Picks the right, well-converting, well-paying offer. Builds your landing page, writes all your content, maps your daily plan. Real strangers see your link. Real commissions, like the little money bag there, hit your account. This is at the top of the page. So you click the link to come to my site. You click the product box, and you're at this page. And here's the demo video right underneath it. There's DPapa in the corner. He's showing you inside the full software platform. $27, like I said. And I'm just going to mention this part too, that it's not a course, not a PDF, not a theory. It's a live AI-powered platform. AI-powered platform. You log into, enter your offer details, and it hands you back everything you need to go live and start earning. Analyzed, built, written, and planned in one session. If that doesn't sound good to you for $27, I don't know what more you could ask for. I will quickly scroll down and find you. You can see the checklist, everything all set up there. Here you go. Paste your offer, click the button, paste it to Reddit, Quora, Pinterest, and watch free traffic and commissions roll in. That's it. Here he goes. Push to profit, 47 seconds. Okay, that is making it sound super easy. And I don't want you to be thinking like that. I want you to be thinking about creating the offer is super easy. And away you go. So we're going to skip all this. Go down to the bottom of this page. There's some great, let's see some reviews, right? Okay. One of the most complete CPA affiliate platforms I've seen. Instead of multiple tools, everything's organized, blah, 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 blah. Simplifies the process, keeps you focused on taking action. How it walks complete beginners through the CPA workflow, choosing an offer, analyzing it, building a landing page, generating content, creating tracking lists, and producing an action plan. If you're new to CPA marketing and looking for a structured way to build your first campaign without feeling overwhelmed, great place to start. There you go. So click the link in the video description. I'm going to go back to DPapa in the corner. He's inside there showing it to you. You can watch a demo. So click the link in the video description. It'll take you to my site at marketingsharks.com. Then click the product box at the top, and it'll take you to this page. You can watch the demo video. Is what did I say here? 7-minute demo video. It'll show you everything you need to do to be creating your campaign in seconds and being up and running. So check it out. I'm Andrew Larder from marketingsharks.com. Fresh out from DPapa. This is called CommissionOS. One of the top selling offers right now. Enjoy.